Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about include method in the array. So, as you know, this method does is check is that inside that object or array or any other thing, is that inside that or not, and give you true or false. So, what we're gonna do is create a var array 1 equals and 1 comma 2 comma 3, and after that what we're gonna do is log it in the console and array 1 dot includes and we will pass the argument what we wanna check. So if we do that, you're gonna say true because it inside that. If we do like 3, you're gonna say true because it is inside that. And if we do like 8, you're gonna say false. You can also use string. I'm just giving you a one string example, something like at, and if we put like at, I'm gonna say true. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.